This is the Vego Garden self-watering rolling tomato planter, and we just got it this spring. Right now we have tomatoes in it. It was super easy to put together. It's beautiful. I love the look and modern design of it. And basically it comes in two parts and just fits snug right inside of there. So how you water it is you have this little gauge that it comes with that tells you when it needs more water. So you just stick that right in there. So you open up this little compartment on top, and I usually just stick a hose right in it. You can put that in, and then this little gauge will start going up to the top when you know it is full. You can go 2 to 3 weeks without having to even add more water. The trellis is really strong. It was really easy to put together with these connectors. Overall, we've been super happy with these. Everything we've gotten from this brand has been really great quality. The only improvement I would make on these would be stronger wheels, as the pots themselves don't roll super easily once they're full of soil and water.